If you need to cancel your Revolut subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your subscription settings. Step 2. Go to the Profile section. Tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your subscription. Step 3. Select Plans and Pricing. Scroll down and find the Plans and Pricing option in the Settings menu. This section contains details about your current subscription and available plans. Step 4. Choose Cancel Subscription. Within the Plans and Pricing section, look for the option to cancel your subscription. Tap on it, and you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Once you have completed these steps, your Revolut subscription will be cancelled. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for assistance.